Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor. And today's session about Senior Inter Maths 2B, and our chapter name is Circles, as this chapter carries 7 marks. So coming to part 1, type 1 method of problems. Find the equation of circle. Try to understand the question, children. Find the equation of circle passing through the points A 1, 2, B 3, -4 and C 5, -6. They are the given point. Actually, we need to find the equation of circle as this circle passing through 3 points A 1, 2, B 3, -4 and C 5, -6. As this circle is passing through given points. Okay, let S be the center of the circle, that is x, y. We call it as whose coordinates are x, y. So now the thing is we need to find the equation of circle. So we know, children, S is the center of the circle. Then we know that distance between S and A is called radius. Distance between S and B is also radius, and distance between S and C is also radius. Radius is always constant. Distance between S and A must be equal to S and B and must be equal to SC. Children, did you understand? If you understand this point, everything will be easy only. Only the thing is we need to know the formula of distance between 2 points. That's all. So why we wrote SA, SB, SC? Because they are radius. Radius is always equal. So because S is the center, A be the point, the distance between center to any point on a circle is called as radius. SA equal to SB equal to SC. Okay, children. First let us consider SA equal to SB. Right? Children, we know the distance between 2 points formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the distance between 2 points formula. Okay? As we have here square root, right? So in order to cancel square root, let us do squaring on both sides. So you will get SA square equal to SB square. SA square equal to SB square. Right? So see, children, from the diagram we can do it easily. So distance between S and A, let me call it as x1 y1, and this is x2 y2. Okay? So formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 in the sense 1 minus x1 in the sense x. 1 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1. 2 minus y whole square. 2 minus y whole square equal to, now distance between S and B. So this is S and this is our B. S is called x1 y1, B is called x2 y2. Again x2 minus x1 whole square, 3 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Minus 4 minus y whole square. Okay, children. Now A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. Similarly, A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. Left hand side over. Now coming to right hand side, we have 3 minus x whole square. Again A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B plus, children, what we have here? Minus 4 minus y. How can I write as minus 4 minus y whole square? Let me write here. If I take minus common, I will get 4 plus y whole square. Right? We know that if the power is even number, so result is what? Positive. Actually the meaning of minus of 4 plus y is minus of 4 plus y into minus of 4 plus y. As minus into minus it will become plus. So actually minus 4 minus y whole square is nothing but which formula we have to use? We need to use a plus b whole square formula. Okay. So children, if both terms are negative, we have to use a plus b whole square formula. I mean 4 square plus y square plus 2 into 4 into y. Right? So let me cancel x square, y square, y square. We have 1 square means 1, minus 2 1 is 2x, 2 square means 4, minus 2 2 is 4y, is equal to 3 square means 9, minus 2 3 is 6x, 4 square means 16, plus 2 4 is 8y. Okay? So minus 2x, minus 4y, 1 plus 4, 5, equal to minus 6x plus 8y, 16 plus 9, 25. Let us transpose children. Minus 2x minus 4y plus 5, minus 6x you transpose plus 6x, plus 8y you transpose minus 8y, plus 25 you transpose minus 25 equal to 0. So 6x minus 2x, that is 4x, minus 8y minus 4y minus 12y, minus 25 plus 8, that is equal to minus 17, which is equal to 0. Right? So what is the equation number 1 children? Equation number 1 is 4x minus 12y, 4x minus 12y, SA equal to SB. See children, 4x 1 plus 4 5, 16 plus 9 25. Correct only? 25 minus 5 plus 2, 25. So children, sorry, here minus 25, this is plus 5, 20. We wrote wrong here, 20. So what I can take common here? I can take 4 as common. Let me take 4 common. So if I take 4 as common, 4 into x 4x, 4 3 is 12y, 4 5 is 20 equal to 0. So 4 you transpose x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Here 4 is multiplying, transpose 0 by 4. So what we got? X minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. That is our equation number 1. Is it clear children? Any doubt? So when we are doing calculation, little bit be careful. See here we did wrong. 5 minus 25, that is minus 20. Then I took 4 common, transposed, we got the equation number 1, x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Is it clear children, equation number 1? Okay, now let us find equation number 2. Actually children, I don't have place, let me write equation number 1 here separately. X minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. This is my equation number 1. Okay, now let me rub that. So now what we will do, let us consider either SB and SC or SC and SC. So I want to consider SB and SC. Okay children, SB and SC. What is SB? Division between S and B. S and B. So again 3 minus x whole square plus minus 4 minus y whole square equal to division between S and C. That is 5 minus x whole square plus minus 6 minus y whole square. Okay children? Again a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. As I told you, both are negative, we have to use a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b equal to, here a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b plus again a minus b whole square, sorry, a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Now let us consider x square, y square and y square. So 3 square value 9 minus 2 3 is 6x, 4 square value 16 plus 2 4 is 8y equal to 5 square value 25 minus 2 5 are 10x, 6 square 36 plus 2 6 are 12y. Okay children, let us transpose minus 6x plus 8y and 16 plus 9 25 equal to plus 25 comes to this side means minus 25 plus 10x minus 36 minus 12y equal to 0. Plus 25 minus 25 gets cancelled. 10 minus 6 that is 4 minus 12y plus 8y that is minus 4y minus 36 equal to 0. Let us take 4 common. 4 into x 4x, 4 into y 4y, 4 9 is 36 equal to 0. So x minus y minus 9 equal to 0 by 4. So x minus y minus 9 equal to 0 by 4 which is equal to 0. So what is our equation number 2 children? Our equation number 2 is x minus y minus 9 equal to 0. Is it clear children? Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to solve equation number 1 and equation number 2 so that you will get center of the circle. Okay children? Let us solve equation number 1 and equation number 2. So what is our equation number 1? Equation number 1 is x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 and equation number 2 is x minus y minus 9 equal to 0. Okay children? Now elimination method, this will become minus plus plus cancel minus 3y plus y that is minus 2y 9 minus 5 that is equal to 4 equal to 0. So minus 2y equal to plus 4 you transpose minus 4 minus minus cancel. So y equal to 4 by 2 2 1 jar 2 2 jar. So what is the value of y? As the value of y is 2. So we got the value of y 2. Now let us substitute y equal to 2 either in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So equation number 2 is what? X minus y minus 9 equal to 0. X y value minus y value 2 minus 9 equal to 0. X minus 2 minus 9 minus 11 equal to 0. Minus 11 you transpose, it will become plus 11. Children, did you understand? What is the procedure? We consider SA and SB, we got one equation. Then we consider SB and SC, we got the second equation. Two equations solve cheste, we got the value of x and y. So that is called center 11 comma 2. So what is our center? S of x comma y is nothing but 11 comma 2. Okay children, we got the center. Now actually they are asking to find, sum is not over children, more is there. They are asking to find the equation of circle. Equation of the circle. Okay children, here you need to understand what do you mean by radius? Radius is nothing but distance between S and A or else S and B or else S and C. Okay, we have the formula circle with center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is our equation of circle formula. Center means in generally we will represent with the letter h comma k. We know center, but do we know radius? What is the length of radius means what? Distance between S and A or else S and B or else S and C. So radius means distance between S and A. So S is nothing but 11 comma 2, A is nothing but 1 comma 2. So root over 11 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square. Yes or no children? Distance between S and A is called radius. 11 minus 1 10, 2 minus 2 0. As 10 square 100, 0 square 0. 100 plus 0 100. What is the square root of 100? 10. So let us substitute now. X minus h means 11 square, y minus k means 2 square, r square means 10 square. Children, did you understand? Circle with center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is our required equation of circle. As we know, h is nothing but 11, k is nothing but 2. Equal to r value we got 10. Again a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Again a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b equal to 10 square 100. So x square plus 11 square 121, 2 11 are 22x, y square 2 square 4, 2 11 are 22y, plus 100 you transpose, minus 100 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 22x minus 22y, 121 plus 4 125, 125 minus 100 which is 25 equal to 0. So children, what is the required equation of circle? As the required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 22x minus 22y plus 25 equal to 0. Damn sure they'll ask this question in the final examination. Find the equation of circle. Okay children, you after watching the video you try to solve the problem, then only wherever we are doing mistakes you will get to know. Okay children. Now coming to second question, so that the points 1, 1, minus 6, 0, minus 2, 2 and minus 2, minus 8 are concyclic. Children, what do you mean by concyclic? I mean they are lying on the same circle. Okay. So let us see, this is the most important question, so that the points are concyclic. So what to do? The actual procedure is the same way. We need to find the equation of circle by using the three given points. Let us take the three given points. We call it as A of 1, 1 and B of minus 6, 0 and C of minus 2, 2. Same like previous problem, we need to find the equation of circle by the given 3 points. So children, this is our fourth point, we call it as D. Don't touch that point. Let us see what we have to do finally. Let us see. So by using first 3 given points, let us find the equation of circle. 3 points unnaiga, what new chesi equation of circle find cheddam. At last em cheyalante the given fourth point minus 2, minus 8 ni equation of circle lo substitute cheste answer 0 ravali. Then we say that the given points are concyclic. So similar manner, as the 3 given points are passing through this is our circle which is passing through 3 given points A, B and C. Let S be the center of the circle, that is x, y. Okay children. Also we know that distance between S and A, distance between S and B and distance between S and C are equal. That is SA equal to SB equal to SC. Okay. Let us find the distance between SK and SB. Okay. Consider SA equal to SB. So we know distance between 2 points formula is root over. Okay. So if you want, you can do like this, squaring on both sides. It will become SA square equal to SB square. I mean distance between S and A. As the value of A is 1, 1, B value is minus 6, 0 and C value is minus 2, 2. Okay. First distance between S and A. So x2 minus x1 whole square, I mean 1 minus x whole square plus 1 minus y whole square equal to distance between S and B minus 6 minus x whole square plus 0 minus y whole square. So A minus B whole square, 1 square, 1 plus B square, I mean x square minus 2 into 1 into x, 2 1 are 2. A square, 1 square 1, B square, y square minus 2 into 1 into y, 2y. Here both are negative, we need to use A plus B whole square formula. Minus 6, I mean 6 square, that is 6 plus x square plus 2 6 are 12. 0 minus y whole square, nothing but y square. Y square cancel, x square cancel. So minus 2x minus 2y, 1 plus 1 2 plus 36 you transpose minus 36 plus 12x you transpose minus 12x equal to 0. So minus 2x minus 12x minus 14 minus 2y 2 minus 36 minus 34 equal to 0. They are the multiples of 2. Let us take minus 2 common. Minus 2 7 jar. 2 into 1 2y. 2 minus into plus minus. 2 17 is 34. Minus 2 is multiplying transpose. We'll get 7x plus y plus 17 equal to 0 by minus 2. So 7x plus y plus 17 equal to 0 by something 0. So our equation number 1 is 7x plus y plus 17 equal to 0. Right, children? Yes. Now in the same, let me write this equation aside. 7x plus y plus 17 equal to 0. That is our equation number 1. Now let us consider division between SA and SC. Division between SA and SC. Let us consider division between SA and SC. Okay, children? So again squaring on both sides. SCA already we have. Now let us find division between. So we are considering SCA and SC. Squaring on both sides. SA square equal to SC square. SCA means 1 minus x whole square plus 1 minus y whole square. SC means minus 2 minus x whole square plus 2 minus y whole square. Okay, children? So again a plus b whole square formula we need to apply here. 2 square means 4 plus x square plus 4x 4 plus y square minus 4y. X square cancel, y square gets cancelled. Okay? Again minus 2x minus 2y 1 plus 1 2 minus 4 minus 4x minus 4 plus 4y equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 2y plus 4y plus 2y minus 4 minus 8 plus 2 minus 6. They are the multiples of 2. Let us take minus 2 common. 2 3 jar 2 1 jar minus into plus minus 2 3 jar. So 3x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 by minus 2. So 3x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. So that is our equation number 2. Children, did you understand? We found SA and SC. We got the equation number 2. Okay. Now what we have to do? We need to solve equation number 1 and equation number 2. Solve 1 and 2. Equation number 1 7x plus y plus 17 equal to 0. Equation number 2 3x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. We are adding here. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. 7x plus 3x 10x. 17 plus 3 20. So 10x equal to plus 20 you transpose minus 20. X equal to minus 20 by 10. 10 1 jar 10 2 jar. So what is the value of x, children? As the value of x is minus 2. Right? Now substitute x equal to minus 2 in equation number 2. 3 into minus 2 minus y plus 3 equal to 0. 3 2 jar 6. Minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Minus 6 plus 3 minus 3 minus y equal to 0. Minus 3 equal to minus y you transpose plus y. So what is the value of y, children? As the value of y is minus 3. So we got the center, that is minus 2 comma minus 3. Children, now what is the next step is what? We have to find the radius. Radius means what? Distance between SCA or SB or SC. So let me find radius. Distance between S and A, that is root over 1 minus into minus plus 2 whole square 1 minus into minus plus 3 whole square 3 square plus 4 square 3 square 9 4 square 16 16 plus 9 25 root 25 is 5. We got the radius 5. So children, circle with the center h comma k and radius r. We have the formula what? For the equation of circle, we have radius and center, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So x minus into minus plus 2 whole square, y minus into minus plus 3 whole square equal to r value what? R value 5. I mean 5 square. Children, x, h value what? minus 2. Actually we have minus here, minus into minus plus, k value minus 3, y minus into minus plus 3 whole square. Again a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to 25. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y as 4 plus 9, 13. 13 minus 25, that is minus 12 equal to 0. So what is the equation of circle, children? X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Till here the same method what we did in our problem number 1. Now the thing is, we have now point D, put D of minus 2 comma minus 8, put D minus 2 comma minus 8 in the equation of circle, that is 3. Okay, minus 2 whole square plus minus 8 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 8 minus 12 equal to 0. Children, this is our x and this is y. In place of x we are substituting minus 2, in place of y we are substituting minus 8. Minus 2 square 4, 8 square 64, plus into minus minus 4 to the 8, plus into minus minus 6, 8 the 48, minus 12 equal to 0. So 64 plus 4, 68, minus 56, 68. So that is 0 equal to 0. Right? As we got 0, yes. Therefore, D is lies on the circle. D of minus 2 comma minus 8 lie on the circle because we got 0. Therefore, the given 4 points are. Therefore, the given 4 points are concyclic. Children, did you understand? The same manner. First of all, we need to find the equation of circle, and then we need to put the point D in equation of circle. If we get 0, then we say that the point lies on the circle. Therefore, the given 4 points are concyclic. Now coming to third question. If 2 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 4 comma 5, 0 comma c are concyclic, then find C. Before question, as they have given 4 points, we need to prove that they are concyclic. Here 3 points are given and the 4th point is 0 comma c. We need to find the value of C. The same manner, first of all we need to find the equation of circle. Okay, then what to do? We need to consider the given points are A, B and C. Okay, again distance between SA, SB and SC. Right? So first we need to consider SA equal to SB. So what is S, children? Let S be x comma y, right? Now x minus 2 whole square. Okay, we forgot to do squaring on both sides. So let us write here SA square equal to SB square. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to distance between S and B. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Okay, children. So x minus 2 whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. Y minus 0 means y only. X minus 0 means x only. Again a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. X square cancel, y square cancel. So we have here minus 4x minus 2y transpose plus 2y 4 plus 1 comes to this one means minus 1, 4 minus 1 3, which is plus 3 equal to 0. So what is our equation of circle? Let us take minus common here. If I take minus common, I'll get 4x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 1 you transpose, it will become 4x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. This is our equation number 1. Okay, children. Now let us find SB and SC. Consider SB equal to SC, squaring on both sides. So SB square equal to SC square. Already we have SB square value, what, children? Let us write directly SB square value x square plus y square minus 2y plus 1. equal to SC. Relation between S and C, that is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square, right? So x square plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, again a minus b whole square, a square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Children, is it clear? A minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Let me cancel x square, y square, x square, y square. Here we have minus 2y plus 1 equal to minus 8x minus 10y, 25 plus 16, 41. Okay, transpose, it will become plus 8x minus 10y, transpose plus 10y, minus 2y plus 10y minus 8y. Sorry, plus 8y. 1 minus 41 minus 40 equal to 0. If I take 8 common, x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So 8 you transpose, x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 by 8. So x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 by something 0. That is our equation number 2. Okay children, now solve equation number 1 and equation number 2. So here x coefficient is 4, but whereas x coefficient here 1. So what I want to do, here y coefficient 2 as well as y coefficient here 1. Let me multiply equation number 2 into 2. So 2x plus 2y minus 2 5 is 10 equal to 0. ఎందుకు మల్టిప్లై చేసామంటే ఇక్కడ y coefficient -2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ y coefficient 1 ఉంది. In order to equate y coefficient we multiplied into 2. So now solve, you consider this as equation number 2 now, right? Now solve 1 and 2. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1, 4x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Equation number 2 is 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Plus 2y minus 2y gets cancelled. 4x plus 2x 6x minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 equal to 0. So 6x equal to 13. So x equal to what? 13 by 6. So what is our x coordinate? X equal to 13 by 6. Now substitute x equal to 13 by 6 in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So let me substitute here. 2 into 13 by 6 plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So 13 by 3 minus 10 equal to plus 2y you transpose minus 2y. Nothing means 1. LCM 3, 13 minus 30 equal to minus 2y. 13 minus 30 minus 17 by 3 equal to minus 2y. Minus minus cancel. 2 you transpose, it will multiply. So what is the value of y? As the value of y is 17 by 6. So children, our center S value we got, x value 13 by 6 and y value is 17 by 6. Okay children, the same procedure. Finding equation number 1, equation number 2 and then solving equation number 1 and 2, you will get center S. Then we have to find the equation of circle. What is the equation of circle with center and radius? That is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay. So first let us find radius. Distance between S and A. S value 13 by 6 minus 2 whole square plus 17 by 6 minus 0 whole square. So LCM is 6, 13 minus 12 whole square, 17 by 6 whole square. 13 minus 12, 1 by 6 whole square, 17 square, 289 by 36. So 1 square means 1 children, 6 square means 36, this will become 1 by 36. So 289 plus 1, 290 by 36. So what is RSA? That is equal to 290 by 36. Okay. So actually equation of circle formula, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So x minus h value 13 by 6 whole square plus y minus k value 17 by 6 whole square equal to r square means root over 299 by 36 whole square. This is our r square means root over 290 by 36 whole square. Square root cancel, you will get 290 by 36. Right? Yes. Now put d 0 comma c in equation number. This is our equation of circle. We call it as equation number 3. Put d 0 comma c in equation number 3. So 0 minus 13 by 6 whole square plus c minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to 290 by 36. Right? Now minus 13 by 6 means 13 square 169 by 36 plus c minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to 290 by 36. Transpose c minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to 290 by 36 plus 169 you transpose minus 169 by 36. So c minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to 290 minus 169. 10 minus 9 1, 8 minus 6 2, 121 by 36. So how can we write this? This we can write as c minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to 11 by 6 whole square. Right? Or else what you do, square you transpose, it will become plus or minus root over 121 by 36. So c minus 17 by 6 equal to plus or minus 11 by root over 121 by 36 and 11 by 6. So one time c minus 17 by 6 equal to plus 11 by 6. Other time c minus 17 by 6 equal to minus 11 by 6. Transpose 11 by 6 plus 17 by 6. That is 28 by 6. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 14 ja. So 1 is c equal to 14 by 3. Coming to second one, minus 11 by 6 plus 17 by 6. C equal to 6 by 6, which is equal to 1. So what is the value of C? As the value of C is 14 by 3 or 1. So children, this is the most important question they may ask in the final examination. These are the part 1, type 1 method problems. And the next session, let us discuss the second method of problem, children. So don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends. Thank you.